Just a quick video, Joshua Tree National Park. Not showing a whole lot of the park. I did some Disperse camping in the BLM land in my truck camper. There'll be some later videos on that because I'm just kind of starting that voyage. Right now I'm just riding back from where you saw the sign, looking at the mountains towards that BLM land. I'm on my EUC, electronic unicycle. This is actually in the BLM land. The washboards on the roads were pretty rough, even for my vehicle. Found a good spot. Pretty much all of the spots are pretty good and level. Like I said, I'll do a future video on the rig, but it's a 2011 Ford F450 to 6.7, and the camper is a Fox 1150 truck camper. Pretty new on the EUC, as you can tell. It's an in-motion V14 Adventure. Got about 80 miles on it so far. Getting a little bit better each time I ride. The BLM land itself is pretty big. I've been told this road that I'm on now, and I just came in from the roadside, is like 65 miles. Actually heading down towards and into Palm Desert. So it's pretty expansive. I don't know how far the actual BLM land goes down.
That I'm not too far from home, where I can hold you in my arms and play you songs on my old guitar. Oh, I'm glad that I found you. Oh, I'm glad that I found you. You're my best friend, I need you more than kites need a wind. We can go together to the very end, getting lost with you is time well spent. Oh, I'm glad that I found you. Oh, I'm glad that I found you. Oh, I'm glad that I found you. That I
views are absolutely amazing. It's pretty much 360 all the way around with the mountains. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, stay safe.